how to use templates on Trello, and this is about here to help you for some situational moments that should be really right here through what should be really engaging and saying for this moment, as you can understand through the progress that should be really right now, guys, through what I can start to say, because it's really very important and dealing with every single certification that should be really right now, guys, through what it should be really understood on that moment, so you can understand and see, because it is really every single I can start to say, because it's really to be very important to be on this moment, as you can understand and see. And what we can actually do is about create a template for users and available for template to create for that, and about to know what it can be actually said. So we go for template, start to create a template or use a template for some kind of reasons, like joining groups, like freelancing, like designing, and every kind of social media things that it should be really absolutely done over here, and that is all about.